This is part 3 of improvement in food resources. Cropping pattern different ways of growing crops so as to get maximum benefit. Mixed cropping is growing 2 or more crops simultaneously on the same piece of land. For example, wheat plus gram or wheat plus mustard or groundnut plus sunflower. This reduces disease risk and gives some insurance against failure of one of the crops. Intercropping is growing of 2 or more crops simultaneously on the same field in definite pattern. That is, a few rows of one crop alternate with a few rows of the second crop. For example, soya bean plus maize or finger millet, that is bajra, plus cowpea, that is lobia. With different requirements of nutrients, crops are selected. It prevents pest and disease from spreading to all the plants belonging to one crop in a field. Therefore, better returns from both the crops are obtained. Crop rotation. The growing of different crops on a piece of land in a pre-planned succession is known as crop rotation. Depending upon the duration, crop rotation is done for different crops combination. The availability of moisture and irrigation facilities decides the choice of crop to be cultivated. If crop rotation is done properly, then 2 to 3 crops can be grown in a year. Crop protection management. Field crops are infested by a large number of weeds, insect pests and diseases. If weeds are not controlled at the right time, then they damage the crop so much that the most of the crop is lost. Weeds are unwanted plants in the cultivated field. They compete for food, space and light. Weeds take up nutrients and reduce the growth of the crops. Therefore, weeds have to be removed. Insect pests attack the plants in 3 ways. They cut the root, stem and leaf. They suck the cell sap for various parts of the plant and they bore it into the stem and fruit, so they affect the health of the crop and reduce the yield. Prevention measures against pests includes the use of disease-resistant varieties and growing 2 or more crops simultaneously on the same field. Summer plowing. Fields are plowed deep in summer to destroy both pests as well as weeds.